Hey guys, in today's episode, we have a go-kart right here that we've built for a customer. Now it's a used kart and that's fine, but we've done a lot of checks to it. And so what are some of the things that we wanted to make sure that we're ready for this customer before we hand it off?
So today, Peter, we're gonna make sure the side pods are mounted correctly. We're gonna also make sure that the alignment on the rear axle is correct. So by that, we're gonna have to take off the wheels, take off the rear bumper, measure a couple things, and then we'll also prep it for transport.
Awesome, perfect. So what are the tools that we're going to need for this?
So we're gonna need a combination of some Allen wrenches and some box end wrenches. Ratchet will usually work, but mostly basic hand tools that you can find anywhere.
Awesome, awesome. Well, let's get started. Let's start taking this apart. What do you suggest that we take apart first, the side pods or the wheels?
I'm thinking that we're gonna start with the side pods. That'll give us better access to where we need to be with the wheels. And then we'll move back to the rear bumper just so we can have that already off and working.
Perfect, let's get to it.
Yeah.
Show us the tools that we're going to be using to take off the side pod as well as the wheels.
So today we're gonna be using, for our side pods, we're gonna need a 5mm Allen with a T-grip preferably. You can use a regular Allen if you need to. And then we'll also use a 10mm box end wrench to take off the side pods. For the wheels, we're gonna need a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm deep well so that you can access over the lug studs.
All right.
Hey guys, we're here to take off the side pods. I'm gonna show you what you need. We do have our 5mm Allen wrench and our 10mm box end wrench. We're gonna take our Allen wrench and set it here. Make sure that we are loosening on the box end wrench, and as we're turning it, we hold this firm. And then if you want to speed things up, you can also rotate back and forth on both sides. Hey guys, we are doing the same exact procedure that we had on the other side, loosening with the box end and then spinning with both sides if needed. Hey guys, so we've removed our bolts now and we're going to slide the side pod out. What I like to do is actually just take our bolts and feed them right back through the hole so we don't lose them. That way, when you go back, put it together, you know exactly where everything is.
That's a really great idea.
Hey guys, we're doing the exact same thing on the other side. Just take the bolts out and remove the side pod. Hey guys, we're here with our 17mm wrench box end. We're gonna take off the rear bumper for transport. It gives us more access to the rear wheels when we have to do anything. So follow me down here. This is very simple. We're just gonna take the box end and start spinning this counterclockwise, lefty-loosey, get it off, and we'll start on to the next step.
Are there any other tools that we need for this or just that?
We might need a set of pliers, but we will find that out in a second. Each go-kart has a different kind of mounting system for the rear. So your go-kart might not just be a 17mm. It might require some other tools. Let us know if you need us to put a video up for that. Hey guys, so we've just removed our two 17mm nuts from the back. On this ItalKart, that's all that's holding on the bottom bumper brackets. So we're just gonna slide this off. And there we go. And like I always say, just put this back on here so when you come back to mount it again, you won't lose the nuts.
So now we have a full kart that is without the side pods and the rear bumper. What we're going to be pulling off next are the tires.
Hey guys, we're back here. We're gonna pull the wheels off with the 10mm deep socket and extension and a ratchet. I like to hold the wheel against my body as I'm pulling up. That's tightening it. As I'm pushing down to loosen. From there, it's just easy. Spin it out. Spin out the lug nuts. Here we go. And just repeat on all three studs.
So now we have this first wheel pulled off, and once again, Our chief tech, Jonathan, likes to add the nuts back on just in case, so we know that they're there.
Hey guys, so we're done taking off the side pods, rear bumper, and wheels for transport. So thank you for watching. Don't forget that you're gonna have to have the 10 mil box end wrench. You're gonna have to have a 17 millimeter box end wrench for the rear bumper. You will also need a 6 millimeter or 5 millimeter T handle Allen wrench for the side pods. So like and subscribe, leave your comments below, and we'll get to you guys as fast as we can. Thank you for coming.